Good morning, everyone. Ignore this clock. I still have not changed the time on it. Yesterday I thought for sure I would have my stuff together and I would film all day. I had plans, but I was under the weather yesterday. I've got a little bit of a sinus thing going on, and I did not feel very good at all yesterday. I was a mess. I'm not really sure what it stemmed from, but I'm sure it's this wacky weather because we have gone from, like 10 degrees to 50, almost 60 degrees outside. It snowed yesterday, so you can tell the fluctuation is crazy. I just wanted to come in here and say hi to start this video out and tell y'all I'm going to the mall with a girlfriend of mine this morning. I don't know if I'll actually get an opportunity to film in the mall, but I might get a few snippets of us at the mall today. And then when I come home, the goal is to get caught up on the house from not doing much of anything yesterday. I am completely clueless on what I'm cooking today. I have no idea. I'm not usually this unsettled and everything. But anyways, I've got a glass of orange juice over here, and I am going to add this to it. If you have never had emergency, this is obviously the Equate brand, but highly suggest it does help you get over illnesses faster and boost your immunity a little bit. I'm not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you guys that that's what I do. I spent a little time this morning curling my hair. As you can tell, the hat is off and there's no ponytail and no messy bun, so obviously I'm going somewhere. I still have to get my bag together, make sure I have my wallet, my keys, my phone, my glasses, definitely my chapstick, and I'm packing my bag of cough drops because I really don't have much of a cough. It's just dry. And you know how when you get hot in a store, you feel like you need something to drink. And of course, I can buy something at the mall, but I'm saying in a pinch, instead of hacking all over people, I'm going to have my cough drops with me just in case to alleviate that situation. I'm going to drink my orange juice. They should get here early. They said they would have us at the mall at 10. She lives literally a hop, skip, and away from me. So they will pick me up first and then pick her up, and then we will head off to the mall. So come along with my day today. Hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button because I'm telling you, I get so excited when those numbers go up. So if you are new, checking me out, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything to hit that button. Give me a like, which is a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below and let me know, have you all been to the mall? Have anybody been seeing Santa? I haven't seen Santa yet this year. Yes, I believe. Well, we had a great time at the mall, and you'll have to excuse if I have kind of a froggy voice. After I shot the footage here, I got really sick. And for several days, I didn't have a voice. And, well, I went to urgent care and I have walking pneumonia. So you're seeing a couple different days of filming, just trying to get myself back to and get things cleaned up in the house after being sick, because we are looking forward to the holidays. So here I am, I'm washing all the bedding, which I feel like is a total must, especially when you are sick. And I'm using what I have left of my Lysol laundry detergent. It is really good. I think it cleans really well, and it makes me feel better about the laundry when I use it. I know it's kind of killing germs. So in this video, you're going to see me make some dinner. I had went to Sam's, I guess a week ago, maybe 2, and I bought a couple packs of family size drumsticks. I think that Sam's has one of the better tasting drumsticks, and I patted it dry with a paper towel, and then I'm brushing on olive oil, and I did salt and pepper, garlic powder, thyme, and I did some paprika and some Cajun seasoning, and I just baked it at like 450 degrees for about 45 minutes until they were nice and brown, and it was very tasty. My husband really is a big fan of either fried chicken or he really likes like shake and bake, and I've been trying to get him to eat a lot more chicken this way because then we don't have the added on carbs. However, I am making rice today, and this is a chicken rice, and what I like to do is add a large can of green beans to it so I can at least get a veggie in there. And I served it on the side with my chicken, and it was really, really delicious and simple. It didn't take me long to get it together. Here's my chicken. It was so pretty, nice and brown. It had that good kind of crispy skin. Was really delicious. Now this is footage from another day, and I'm getting my spin mop ready, and I've got my Zep cleaner and some hot boiling water, and as you can tell, my stair rail and my stairway, I should say, has a lot of wood. So it gets really dirty, it gets dusty, and I just like to take my spin mop and give it a good scrub down and just kind of get where I don't get every single time that I vacuum the stairs. So now I'm going to clean off my mud bench. This is a extremely used area because my husband and I used public transportation, so it's a lot of bags, it's our white canes, it's now that it's winter, it's hats and gloves and sunglasses and hand sanitizer and anything else that you may need when you leave the house. Keys, my purse, everything. And it's black, so it gets dusty because it's right here by my front door. And so it's time to give it a good scrub down and kind of a good clean out. Also, too, I have a couple things that I keep there that I need to remember to return to the store. I also have a giant bag of salt there. It's for my porches when they get icy. And my shopping bags, all the things. It houses all the things, umbrellas. I just love this mud bench. If you're curious where I got it, it came from IKEA. Now that I've got all the wiping down and the dusting of this area done, I'm going to hoover all the carpeting. This takes a little bit of time, and you get to see this in the sped up version, but it takes me a little while because the carpet is really dark, and so it just shows every little white speck, every little piece of snow, every little piece of sock, like fuzzies. And I just take my time and get it all cleaned up. When it's done, it's clean and it looks so nice, and I'm so happy because it is the first thing that you look at when you come into my front door. So this is a task that I have been putting off, and I thought, you know what, while I've got my hot water and my mop, I'm just going to go ahead and give this fireplace a good scrub down. It gets really dusty, and although it's not extremely apparent to people that don't live here all the time, I'm aware of it. So I give it a good scrub down with my mop, and you've seen me kind of leave the screen. It's because I'm cleaning my mop and then rinsing it out in the spin thing, in the spin mop, and then now I've got a rag and I'm just going to wipe any excess soap or dirt or dust I see and then put everything back. So I hope this video finds you all well. I hope you enjoyed a little content coming your way. Please forgive me. I've been under the weather. This kind of thing just happens. But if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm hoping to bring more content to you really soon, as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. And Merry Christmas.